Alright, we're going to cut the teeth here. We use this worn out cutter. Basically hold it at an angle, go like this, plunge it in, leaves an angle. Do them all the same too. Good luck. So it matters how you hold this tear, hold it straight. So after you cut it, see it only cut right in the bottom. I gotta get this fleeting edge cut. You look at that view. So we're gonna cut more. Getting some angle to it, see? And you can see I'm cutting not here, but I'm cutting on the outside. It's got to change my angle that I'm holding it slightly. So you could go less this way, more this way. So you can see the little tooth area right there is not ground yet. Do it some more. Alright, so you can see a little bit of radius right at the very top. We'll leave that, that's fine. And you can see how it's cut at the angle all the way below the surface here. So the other tooth, when we grind it, should go right down to it and give us our angle. So now when you hook into that one, it's going to hold it instead of popping out. See the difference that one looks like? So that's what we got to do. So I got a bunch more to do. If you were watching the video, would you be happy with what you did?
Yes.
Okay. So you're impatient. You have a life, you got something to do besides watch my videos.
No.
See any of that? The different angles?
Yeah.
See, if you grind the radius the way up here, then you know you went too deep. So, see, it looks like I haven't quite ground that one little corner right there, so I'll hit it just a touch more. There we go. Next. Good. Oh, it's warm. See, I'm not cutting far enough out. I cut deep that way, but not this way. Okay, grind a little deeper. A little further that way. Good. Alright, you got the film where we want. Go all the way to the edge. Alright, you can finger screw that. I'm going to work on it. Just do the same as the other one. Trying to get it. Keep grinding, I'm still not getting what I want to grind yet. I know I got it that time. There we go. Could go a little deeper. Next one. See how you get from the angle. It doesn't stick up as much, so. These are the stamped ones, they're crappy. If you get the ones that are actually cut, they're a lot better. There's two different styles of these out there. You got the bad one. Feel better?
Of course.
Not quite. Still not quite. There, I got it. Just the little radius. Oh, that would just be a little corner. Yeah, that one ain't done yet. Let's stop for a minute. Uh-oh. Screwed that one up. Oh yeah. The cutter popped up on me. I cut the top surface, so I screwed it up. This one ain't gonna work very good. It was an extra one anyway. Yeah, we'll clean it up a little bit though. Yeah, that's full. It's not too bad. Maybe a little bit more. A little bit more. It's more yet. That looks good. Next one. Came out. But we still got that little area in there still. It's not coming out all the way yet. That time I got it. You can see the little radius, just very, very small amount. You look at it from this view, you should be able to see a nice, good hook to it, hopefully. Is that good from your angle?
Sure does.
Good. That means I didn't screw it up. It's the last one, I think. Almost. That looks good. That one's already done. Good. So I get all those done. Take your gear. It should hook in there. So it looks like it's halfway close.
Halfway close.
Good. Better than straight line sticking up. So that's where it sits at. See, we're in the center of the bore here. So I just put tension on it. Just kind of, it kind of self-centers as you put pressure on it. That means your teeth are all pretty even. You'll see some that are different heights than others because everything's hand ground. So it's not going to be perfect. It doesn't have to be. It's a Harley. But as things wear, you know, if this one starts wearing away and this one's not hitting, at some point this one will start hitting. So they'll start grabbing eventually. It wasn't all that good to start with, so you can't really screw it up too much. Make you feel better?
Yep.
Rolling. Hey, it does roll. How'd you know? Okay, we're going to push this bushing back in now. Oops. Push it too far. Alright. Stick it right there. Now, if this still fits, we're good. Hey, it still fits. We're good. Tighten it up a little bit though. Alright, so now we got the bushing back up there, so everything will work like it's supposed to. So now we go put on the clutch gear and see if it fits on the clutch basket.